I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff, and about, I don't know, about 250 years of direct work experience. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about the most frequently asked questions for offers. I taught the offer and compromise program. I used to accept offers and deny offers. So anything I'm telling you is the gospel is for offers and compromise. Let me just go through these really quick. The frequently asked questions. No one likes to watch TV or YouTube long. Here they are. How long is an offer going to take? What's your guess? It's going to take a year. Offers and compromise right now are going to take a year to work. What is the national acceptance rate? The national acceptance rate is around, what do you think? It's 20%. So 20% of the offers get accepted. You know, why don't other offers get accepted? People don't know how to fill them out. They don't know the program, and that's why offers really go south. Next question is, what's the biggest mistake people make on offers? Very simply, they don't know the National Standards Program. What's the National Standards Program? The National Standards Program says when you list your expenses, IRS is not going to probably allow your expenses. IRS will tell you what you can live for expenses. That is, they're going to tell you what to put for food and clothing. They're going to tell you what to go ahead and use for housing and utilities, for car expenses, and to drive your car ownership. IRS dictates to you. So when you put your expenses, they're going to scratch them and say, no, you can only take these. Your offer goes south that way. So you got to know the program. The next thing is, how much do you offer? There's a formula. There's a formula for offers and compromise. The formula is very simple. IRS wants to know what your assets are. You can't file, if you file an offer and you have, say, $100,000 in assets, you can't settle less for $100,000. IRS is also going to look for your income and expense ratio. What's left over? If you have $500 a month left over, IRS is going to take that $500 and they're going to find out how many months you have left on your statute, and they're going to create that number. They're going to add what you have left over at the end of the month times your statute number, and they add the two together, and that's your offer and compromise number. So it's simply based on your assets and what you have left over at the end of the month according to their National Standards Program. The last thing is who to hire. You better hire someone who knows what they're doing. I would not hire a national tax relief company because you don't know who's working your case on the back end. So once again, if you hire a major company to do your work and you can't talk to the person working your case, that offer's probably going to go south. The people who work on these back ends usually don't know as much as hiring people from like former IRS agents. You have to hire, by the way, an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent, because those are the only people licensed to go ahead on your behalf to talk to IRS. Lastly, all your tax returns have to be filed, and if you're self-employed, you got to have ES payments currently up to date, or they won't accept the offer and compromise. I'm available for consultations if you need me. Nobody does offers like our firm. Peter Salinger has worked over 2,500 offers and compromise, probably more like 35. We take 25 because it's a safe number. He used to be an offer and compromise group manager, and then I worked him too. Anyway, you need an offer, you need to call us. Thank you.